This Ekadasi festival celebrated in Srirangam is very special to our Tamil culture also, because this Pasurams, 4000 Divya Prabandham Pasurams were sung in Tamil, and singing this every year for this 21 days, making the Lord to a blissful state. Is it not a special thing for Tamil culture also? Is it not a development for the Tamil language too? So it's a very proud thing for Tamil. And the other thing is the Alvar, Tirumangai Alvar. The first day I would have listed about the 12 Alvars. Tirumangai Alvar is the youngest one, or he is the last Alvar for everyone. He created the verses called Thirunedu Tandagam. It consists of 30 pasurams. When he was singing this for Lord Narayana was so convinced. He said, what blessings you need, and you can ask for anything, I can bless, because I'm so happy about these 3 pasurams. So Lord Narayana in blissful state, he said this. Tirumangai Alvar, see the selflessness. He said that he has to hear Nammalvar's 1000 pasurams every year. That is his only request. Will Narayana say no to it, because he already loves all the Divya Prabandham verses? When this was the request put forth by Tirumangai Alvar, he immediately accepted. Why not? I will always listen. So that's this request has come into practice. We are ensuring that every year Nammalvar's pasurams were sung to Lord Narayana. And one should attend this also. Apart from seeing Lord Narayana on Vaikunta Ekadasi, one who attends this functions of hearing the pasurams will be a great blissfulness to our mind too. There's another interesting thing. There's a disciple called Parasara Pattar. He will always be at Tiruvadi of Nachiyar Thayar, because he feels that she is more merciful and her eyes is full of merciness, and he will be always worshipping Thayar, Ranganayagi Thayar. Perumal was happy about this, but he also wants Parasara Pattar to worship him. He is actually very happy that he is always with his mother kind love, no? So, but still Perumal was wondering why he is not worshipping me. Why Parasara Pattar wants to be always with the Thayar's Tiruvadi. Tiruvadi means her foot. And so Parasara Pattar said, you are merciful only, but you have the responsibility of taking care of demons as well as the devas. So you have got some pressure, and that we can see through your eyes. Not just the merciness, but also some anger, because he has to handle both the people, the demons and the devas, right? But Thayar is not like that. She will always be merciful. So that's the reason I want to be always with her. Now Perumal wants the Parasara Pattar to worship him. So on the 10th day, he himself dresses like a Thayar. So that's the only day, on the 10th day of this Vaikunta Ekadasi celebrations, we can see Perumal's in Thayar Kolam, just to bless him. Like we said, Periya Koil, Periya Perumal, Periya Pirati. We also call this festival as Periya Tirunal. When we call it as Periya Tirunal, it is nothing but Vaikunta Ekadasi. Another thing is this Nammalvar's verses, more than 1000 verses I said, no, it's called as Thiruvaimozhi, verses from the sacred mouth. Thiruvaimozhi, that's the meaning. So these are the special things about Vaikunta Ekadasi, one of the main festival. Let me come up with some other topic on Srirangam for tomorrow. I don't feel like going to the next Divya Desam at all. Virtually, I'm seeing Srirangam every day, and I want to talk about more and more. And there are such a lot of details for this temple. I couldn't come out of this temple. I feel that as if I'm going to Srirangam every day. So tomorrow also I believe I'll talk about Srirangam Swami only. Let's meet tomorrow, friends. Thank you. Namaskaram.